Okay, I'm filming.
Uh, this is one of those tools that you don't really want to have, but when you need it, you need it. It's the pooper de-cleaner from Camco. It actually is in a pretty good pinch. So if you ever get a clog, you can't, with RV toilets, you can't use a normal plunger, so you got to use something like this. You hook it up to a hose. The thing I like about it is you can have the water running, and this turns the water on or off, and then this right here spins, the jets spin and unclogs whatever is clogged. And unfortunately, I got to use it today, but it is really handy. You just stick it down in the toilet, you open it up with the foot pedal, stick it down, and just shove it down, and then turn it on like that, and the jets clean it out. I don't think you really want to see it, but I've used it for the last 2 years, and every time I got to use it, it saves a lot of time, and it's pretty easy. So I would suggest that every RVer have one on hand.